Hey Momo, I hear what you're saying, and I pretty much agree with you, except for one thing, about throwing out the tie-dye. Never. An interesting thing about tie-dye, it seems to make everybody around you more comfortable. They're friendlier. They'll say hi, or nice shirt, or nice tie-dye, or I have one just like that. It's kind of cool. It's sort of a social experiment in wardrobe. I'm not really a inherently tie-dye kind of guy, but somebody gave this to me for watching their house while they're on vacation. But I ended up liking it quite a lot, so I do wear it quite a bit. And it's interesting to see people's reaction to it. Somehow tie-dye puts people at ease. I don't know, I guess they figure you're a pothead and you're harmless. And I don't know, are potheads inherently friendly? Could be.